Hello everyone, today we will present our project-based learning with the topic Implementation Well-Architect Framework on CM Cyber Physical System Security for Monitoring Polybatam Campus Asset by PBL RKS 401. Before that, let me introduce our team member first. First is Mr. Nur Cahyo or Mr. Anung as our manager project. And then me, Sandiri Ilahi, as the leader of this project. And then Vincentius Kolskanisa as a member. And then Muhammad Nazir as a member. Muhammad Mirza as a member. And then Muhammad Iqbal as a member. And the last one is Hartanto Prasetyo as a member. And then this our project description page. The purpose of this project to develop an integrated security system which protect the digital and physical asset at Polybatam. We are using Wazoo as the CM, Cortex as analyzer, Hive to maintain ticket, and Telegram to give a real-time notification. And we have 4 pages to complete this project. First is Conceive. Conceive is a planning phase. We need 2 weeks to complete it, and it's done. And then design, we need 1 week to complete it, and it's done too. And then implement. In this phase, we configuring and installing our server in lab and our client server. We need 9 weeks to complete it, and it's done. And the last is operate. In this phase, we testing all our service. We need 2 weeks to complete it, and it's done. And this is our logbook. First, we meeting with the manager project. And then we understanding the concept and the implementation of the well architecture. Then we design the product. And then we installation and configuration CM Wazoo. Then we install and configuration Cortex, the Hive and MASP. And then we integration all the server Wazoo, Cortex, Hive, MASP, and Telegram notification. Then we deploy all the service into our client server, and then we install and configuration Grafana for monitoring dashboard. And the last part is testing. We test all our server. What is CM? Security Information and Management, usually called CM. CM is solution that help organization to detect, analyze, and respond to security threats before they harm our business operation. CM will collect event log data from a range of source, identifies activity that deviates from the norm with real-time analysis, and then we can analyze the event with our threat intelligence or others. And the next slide will explain by our friend Muhammad Mirza.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Mirza Albasi. First, let's look at the CM workflow we created. If a hacker attack one of the agent, that agent will send a log event to the Wazoo server. Then Wazoo will send the log to the Telegram as a notification to Grafana for monitoring on the dashboard and to the Hive for further analysis. The Hive will coordinate manually with Cortex and VirusTotal to analyze the log event. After that, the final result will determine whether the event poses a threat to the agent. Wazoo can be used for endpoint security, threat intelligence, security operation, and cloud security. When opening Wazoo, we are directed to a dashboard that contains an agent list. This spec contains all agents that are connected to the Wazoo server. Next, there is the Wazoo security event page. This page contains a list events that are indicated as attack on one of the agents we are monitoring. Following that, there is the Wazoo security configuration assessment page. This page contains details of vulnerabilities present on the agent, and steps for hardening can be following here. Lastly, there is the Wazoo vulnerability scanning page. This page contains vulnerability present in the core directories that have been downloaded on the Wazoo agent. The next page will be presented by my colleague. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vincentius Kualskanisa Simanjutak, and in here I will explain about the Hive. So the Hive is a scalable security incident response platform. Technically, this application is integrated with Cortex, designed to make it easier for SOCs, CSRs, and any information security practitioner dealing with security incidents that need to be investigated and act upon soon. After that, actually this application have many features, but we just choose three important features to display in this presentation. So the first one is the Hive alerts. So the Hive alerts is a view, which is this view contains many data that sent from Wazoo. After that, from these alerts, we can see the observables button, or we can choose one of many data in here. After we choose, we can see this view. This view is the Hive observables. In here, we can analyze future from data sent by Wazoo. In here, we'll display many analyzer that we have in Cortex. After that, we can analyze the data. And after the result come, we can make a case. So in here is the Hive case. The Hive case is a list of case that we made for the future analyze. So if we think we need more action for an alert for on an event, we can make a case and analyze to the next stage. I think that's all about the Hive. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Muhammad Iqbal Sujidan. Here I wanna tell about Cortex in my project. Cortex is a powerful observe, analyze, and active response engine. We can observe such as IP and email address, URLs, domain names, filter or hash can be analyzed using the web interface. Analysts can also automate this operation and submit large set of observable from the Hive or talk the Cortex REST API from alternative script platform, custom script or MSIP. When used in the conjunction with the Hive, Cortex legally facilitates the containment path thanks to the active response. And then we can see the Cortex job history. Cortex job history is a long or recording all automated test playbooks and scripts that have been run the Cortex source system. This include information about when to start, how long it took. Here you can see the picture. There is time or time and that when the text execute, there is name of the text or playbook that is running. And then we have Cortex List Analyzer. Below we can see that List Analyzer is a tool used to analyze to manage type data stored in list form. This include this IP address, domain, file, hash, or threat indicator, and integrate with various external. And then we have Cortex Run Analyzer. Then following there is Cortex Run Analyzer, which is a module in analysis script, playbox, and order automate action in the Cortex Source platform. It's held in the execute, evaluation, or parallel cybersecurity process. You can see this picture, some the result, the execute, it's run script and playbooks automatically based on specific on manual trigger.
MESP, which stands for Malware Information Sharing Platform, is an open source software designed to help organizations share, collect, and analyze threat intelligence and information related to cyber threats. MESP is used by the cybersecurity community to enhance collaboration and information sharing regarding cyber threats with the goal of strengthening defense against cyber attack. Key feature of MESP include: number 1, data collection; number 2, data analysis; number 3, information sharing; number 4, automation. By using MESP, organization can more effectively detect, analyze, and respond to cyber threats, as well as improve collaboration with the cybersecurity community.
Grafana is a platform used for real-time data visualization and analysis. We use Grafana as a monitoring dashboard for visualizing data from Wazoo and also system and health monitoring for each server. To visualize the data, we connect Grafana's data source to Wazoo using OpenSearch and Infinity. For server monitoring, we use Prometheus as the data source. Here is the main Grafana dashboard displaying events from Wazoo. And this is the Grafana dashboard showing resource monitoring per servers. To enhance our response to security threats, we also integrate Wazoo with Telegram. Whenever Wazoo detects an alert with a level 11 or higher, an automatic notification will be sent via Telegram. The interface looks like this. This also allows our team identify and respond to potential threat in real time.
Hi, it's me Vincent again. So in here I want to explain about our obstacle in this project. The first one is problem in managing time. Why? Because all of our team members are workers, so it's very hard for us to find free time to meet to discuss about this project. After that, the scarcity of literature, because something that we develop is something that people rarely know about or do, so we have difficulty finding for our reading materials that is related to our product that we will develop. After that, uh, action and plan for the next stage. The first one is automation. Currently to carry out the process on the products, we still do it manually, but in the future we want to, and we hope to, we can process automatic to make it more efficient in various fields. After that, integrated in management hub. Currently, we use Grafana for system monitoring, and in the future, we want to create an integrated setting in Grafana. So the setting in Grafana can be used to configure all the application that we use to create this product. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your attention and time, and I hope this presentation has been informative and insightful for all of us. Thank you.